Our company joined the egg launch bootcamp in 2021. Later, joined the accelerator program 2022. So we got so much great help, support from the egg launch team, lifted up our company a lot because you helped us for the field trials, the business development, product development, also helped us to raise the first capital from 2 investors, Spencer here, Nate here. So we are super grateful. So I got so excited, so honored. So I got up very early, 3:50, got up to catch up the flight to fly here. So super great for your great help, and great to see all the old friends, and looking forward to meet with new friends as well. So I'm Jiarui, CEO of Innatrix. Our company located in Research Triangle Park, North Carolina. We have a platform, the biopesticide discovery platform. We use this platform to generate sustainable and eco-friendly crop protection products. So why we do this? Because we know the pathogen pest control using, right now mainly using chemicals, very good control, but a lot of challenges. As I understand, in the last decade, very, very few new mode of action chemical products came to the market. And a lot of health concerns, so need a lot of money, a lot of time to develop one product. So right now is the right time to use biological products because we talked to a lot of farmers, also a lot of industry leaders, and realized that the consumer, the farmers really want these eco-friendly solutions. So the market growing really fast, more than 10%, between 10 to 20% each year, and only need a very little resources, normally $3 to $4 million. 3 to 4 years to bring one product to the market. So our company built this target-based platform. We use AI machine learning to find some critical targets. Those targets in the pathogen. So those are usually very essential for pathogen to cause disease, either some essential genes in the life cycle or some other genes involved in the infection process. So after we find those genes, we use our platform, either peptide, small peptide, or use an RNA strategy to malfunction those targets, just make them not work, so we could stop their infection or stop their life cycle. Especially, for example, nematode, really a big problem because each growing season they have up to 5 life cycles. So using our technology, we block their life cycles, gradually reduce the population. So our platform enables us to produce different products to handle different economically important pathogens and pests. So it's very clear our technology has a lot of advantages. Because the products has no residue, very easily degradable in the field, so it is safe, eco-friendly. Because regulatory journey is pretty manageable, so it takes very little money, very little time to develop one product to the market. So right now we are focusing on 3 pathogen pests, late blight, citrus greening, also soybean cyst nematode. Until today, we have got a pretty good proof of concept for nematode control on the soybean, for the late blight control on the potato. And we try to sell our products starting from 2026. First, I give you an update for our nematode project. As I understand, this is the #1 pest for the soybean production in the US. So our technology enables us to be able to provide really good control, up to 80% control. So we have done a lot of greenhouse trials, also field trial confirmed that these all transgenic soybeans expressing our RNA constructs provide up to 80% control. This is very convincing, so we are developing this as a seed treatment product. Second one is the late blight. So this is using a small peptide binding to a critical targets in the late blight. So this is clearly, you could see with our peptide, the potato leaves keep pretty healthy even with late blight infection. So after applying our peptide, the leaves keep very healthy. Without the peptide, the leaves got a lot of lesions and mold. This is only just after 5 days after we inoculate a lot of late blight on the leaves. So we figured out our peptide actually could block the late blight spore germination. So without germination, the spores cannot penetrate to the leaves to cause the infection. So this is our mode of action for the product. And right now we are doing 2 field trials. One is in our state, North Carolina, another one in Wisconsin. And hopefully after a month, we should get some results from the field trials. This is a peptide biological product, so we do need to go through regulatory process. So we submitted our biochemical product classification application to EPA. It will take a few months for them to review and give us feedback. But we are very confident we could get approval. Then later we'll set up toxicology studies to submit to EPA to get final approval. From my understanding, as I talk to a lot of farmers, they do care about the return on investment. So our goal is to try to get the return on investment three, so we could get our product cheap enough for farmers to be able to accept the technology provide good control. Also, through Egg Launch program, we also consolidated our business model. So we will work with the big egg chemical companies, also egg retailers to deliver the products to the farmers. Our company has a pretty strong IP. We got 2 issued US patents so far and filed 3 provisional patents. We are very early stage, so we got a lot of help, different companies, agencies to help us for our product development, also business development. In the last 2 years, we are very grateful we got $3 million funding. As Sarah mentioned, recent 1 or 2 months, we got $1.5 million. So we are very grateful. We have money to be able to run the company longer than 12 months. Yeah, so with the recent $1.5 million, we could run our product development through the field trials, go through regulatory process, strengthen our IP, so be able to get a good position. And so we do need to have more money, so try to raise $3 more million to speed up the process. Hopefully, we could get our products in the market after 2 years. Not only me doing all the company, so we have a really strong team. Totally, we have around 8 dedicated members. You might recognize Dr. Pam Maroon, one of the most influential biological leader in the world. So she is helping, supporting our company quite a lot. And we got the team, most of us has a PhD, so we are super strong to build up our platform to generate different products to help the industry. Yeah, so that's all we are doing. We are developing sustainable, safe products to protect crops from the pathogen pest. Thank you very much.